Well, I've been watching you, girl. Way you move, got the room on fire. Oh, yeah, rockin' my world. Wanna take you home with me. Well, I ain't letting you go. Home with the boy who don't deserve you. Oh, yeah, baby, don't say no. I wanna take you home with me. You should never be lonely. You're the best that I've ever seen.
Welcome to Tuesday tutorial. On this week's tutorial, we are teaching "Want to Take You Home" by Gloriana. So this is a really fun line dance. There's a few steps that could be a little difficult, but overall, it's pretty simple if you just slow it down and think about the line dance a little bit. So what you're going to do is, it starts off by taking your left foot, and then you're going to swing it in an arc to your left. So you just pick it up, swing it in an arc, bring your foot down, and then you're going to do this kind of figure 8 movement with your hips right afterward. It works, it flows a little bit better if you start off with your right hip and then swinging it around, and then when you're coming back down, you take your left foot and then your left hip, and then you swing it around that way. So you start right hip, swing around, and then flow right into your left hip swing. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to triple step to your right, starting with your right foot. So you're going to go right, triple step, and then this is one of the more difficult steps of the line dance. What you're going to do is you're going to stomp with your left foot, and then you're actually kind of jump turn. So you're doing 180-degree turn, but you're going to jump turn right behind you. So it's a stomp, and then I just switch. So I'm facing the opposite direction. And then I'm going to stomp with my right foot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your right foot and you're going to stomp twice in front of you. Then you're going to take 4 steps forward. So you're going to start off with your right leg, the same leg that you used to stomp. So stomp, stomp, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're under your left foot. Then you're going to end up taking 3 steps back at this point. So you're going to step back with your left, 1, step back with your right, 2, and then your third step back, what you're actually going to do is you're going to bring it back and then cross it behind you. I want to take just a second here though and talk about the timing on these steps here. They're a little different than the rest of the dance. The first 4 steps that you take forward are faster, and then it slows back down when you step back. So what that looks like is you stomp twice with your right foot, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a little bit faster, but then when you're stepping back, it's going to be slower. So it's 1, 2, 3. So the timing is a little different. In the demonstration, you kind of see what that looks like a little bit, but it is faster stepping forward than it is back. So your third step, stepping back, like I said, is you're going to take your left foot and then step behind your right foot, and then it's a little bit of a rock step, but not so much. All you do is really just step back onto your left when it's behind your right leg, and then back onto your right foot, and then you're going to do this arc kick that we did at the beginning, where you take your left foot and then you bring it in an arc to your left, and then once it touches the ground, you're going to do this rock step motion again. So you're going to take your right foot, bring it behind your left foot, and then jump onto your right foot, and then put your weight back onto your left to make that rocking step. And then you're just going to bring your right foot back, so you're facing just that same direction that you were. And you're going to do one of those figure 8 movements again. So again, it's easier if you take your right foot and swing it around, and then come back around and swing your left hip around. And then what you're going to do is you're going to triple step, very similar to that triple step at the beginning, but triple step to your right. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to take your left foot, and then you're going to do this arc kick. So it is a 90-degree turn, so you're facing over here, and then you're going to turn to your right in a 90-degree turn. So again, you just do that kick, and then the line dance will restart with the figure 8 movement.